Hello everyone. How are you? I hope we are all very happy. Is it children? Really you are happy? Yes. Why? Why? Because every day you are playing new games and sending yes or not ma? Is it? In previous classes we completed about 2-letter words, 3-letter words and making new words from one word. Is it children? And singular, plural. Today we are going to learn about this, these, that, those. Okay. Here, what is this children? Very good. It is Dolly. Now, Dolly is introducing about this, these, that, those. Okay children? Yes. Tell hi to everyone, Dolly. Hi. Now, are you ready, Dolly? See children, Dolly is ready. You are ready children? Yes, let us start class. Okay, see here. Now, these pictures are near to the dolly and these pictures are far to the dolly. Is it children? Yes. Now, what Dolly is telling about these pictures? See. See here. What is this? What is this children? This is an apple. Is it children? How many apples are there here? Only one? More than one? Only one. Is it? And only one is there and this is near to the dolly. So, what Dolly is telling? This is an apple. Why? Apple is single and near to the dolly. So that Dolly is using here this. When we will use this? When it is single and when it is near to us, we will use this. Next, Dolly is telling about this picture. See this ma? This apple is near to the dolly, but this cow is far to the dolly. Is it children? So, what Dolly is telling here? How many cows are there? Only one cow. Is it? Only one cow is there and that is also far to the dolly. So, what Dolly is telling? That is a cow. Why? This is single and this is far to the dolly. So, she is telling that is a cow. When we will use that children? When it is single and far to us. We use that. Is it children? That is a cow. Okay, next. Next Dolly is telling about these elephants. See ma. What are these? These are elephants. These elephants are near to the dolly. Is it? Elephants are near to the dolly. And how many elephants are there here? One or more than one? More than one. More than one elephants are there and near to the dolly. Then what she is telling? See here. These are elephants. When it is single near to dolly, she used this. Now, more than one elephants are there and these are near to the dolly. So, what Dolly is telling? These are elephants. Okay, when we will use this? When it is more than one and near to us, we use these. Okay, that's why Dolly is telling these are elephants. Okay, next. What are these? Can you recognize? Rabbits. Asma, these rabbits are far to the dolly. Is it children? These rabbits are far to the dolly. So what Dolly is telling? Those are rabbits. What she is using? Those are rabbits. Asma, when it is single, far to the dolly, she used that. Here Here more than one there and far to the dolly. So what dolly is using here? Those are rabbits. Yes children, when we will use those? More than one and far to us. Then we will use those. Is it children? That's why she is telling those are rabbits. Okay? Next. Next Dolly is going to tell about this picture. What is this picture? Can you recognize? Very good. It is doll. It is dog. Okay ma? See. Here how many dogs are there? Only one, more than one. Very good. Only one. And this dog is near to the dolly. Yes. Then what she is telling? This is a dog. Why she is using this? Only one picture is there. Only one doll is there and that is also near to the dolly. So she is using this is a dog. Okay. Next. Dolly is going to tell about this picture. What is this picture? Can you recognize? Very good. It is papaya. Okay now. This papaya is far to the dolly. And how many papayas are there here? Only one or more than one? Only one. Only one is there. That is also far to the dolly. So what dolly is telling? That is a papaya. Why? Only one is there. That is also far to the dolly. So she is using that. That is a papaya. Okay. Next. Dolly is going to tell about these pictures. See, what are these? These are balloons. Okay. These are balloons. See, these balloons are near to the dolly. Yes, ma'am. So, what she is telling? These are balloons. Why she used these? More than one balloons are there and that is also near to the dolly. So, she used these are balloons. Okay. Next. Next, Dolly is telling about this picture. What is this picture? Who are there in this? Boys. Yes, ma'am. About these boys, Dolly is telling. Here, how many members are there here? Only one member or more than one? More than one. Is it children? Two boys are there now. So, what Dolly is telling? Dolly is telling those are boys. Why she used those? Here, more than one members are there. And that is also far to Dolly. So, Dolly used those are boys. Is it children? Okay. Children. See children, some more examples. Okay. Here, these pictures are near to me. And these pictures are far to me. So, what I am telling? Listen here. Here what is this? Rose. It is near to me. So, what I am telling? This is a rose flower. Okay. And here, what is this? This is a ball. It is far to me. So, I am telling that is a ball. Okay. Next. What are these? These are kites. Yes, ma'am. Why? More than one there. And these are near to me. So, I am using these are kites. Okay. And what are these? These are dogs. Yes, ma'am. These dogs are far to me. So, I am using here those are dogs. Okay. Next. What is this picture? Very good. Pineapple. It is near to me. So, I am telling this is a pineapple. Here what is this? This is orange. This is far to me. So, I am telling that is an orange. Okay. Next. What are these? These are fishes. Why I am using here these? These are more than one and near to me. So I am using these are fishes. What are these? Can you recognize? Very good. Watches. These watches are far to me. So I am telling those are watches. Now Rahat and Rahman are going to play a game. Here I arranged some animals. Some are near to them and some are far to them. Okay now. Some I arranged near to you and some I arranged far to you. Here what you should use? This, that, these, those. Tell. Okay na? What is this, Rahat?
This is a dog.
Why you are using this?
This is near for me and only one.
Very good. Here you are using this. Why? That is only one and near to you.
Yes.
So that you are using this. Next. What are that?
Sheeps. Those are sheeps.
Those are sheeps. Why you are using those?
Those are sheeps. Sheeps are more than one and far to me. That's why I'm saying those.
Very good. Sheeps are more than one and far to you. That's why you used those. Very good. Next. What is this picture?
This is hippopotamus.
Yes. Why you are using this?
This is near to me and only one.
Very good. Next. What are those?
Those are goats.
Why you are using those?
Those are only one. Those are more than one and far to me. That's why I'm using those.
Very good. Here Rahat got 2 points. Is it? Now Rahman is going to play. Rahman, what is this?
Cow. This is cow.
Why you are using this?
This is only one.
Cow is only one.
And this near to me.
Very good. That's why you are using this. What are those?
Those are cats.
Why you are using those?
Cats are more than one and far to me.
Very good. Cats are more than one and far to you. That's why you are using those. Is it? Very good. What is this?
This is zebra.
Why you are using this?
This is only one and near to me.
Very good. Next. What are those?
Those are horse. Those are horses.
Why you are using those?
This is more than one and far to me. Horses are more than one and far to me.
Very good. Horses are more than one and far to you. That's why you are using those. Very good. Here, Rahman also got 2 points and Rahat also got 2 points. In this game, both are the winners. Okay. Children, understood the game? Same in that way, you should also play a game with your parents and cousins or brothers and send video in Telegram group.